Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see traffic source on Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to see traffic source on Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to see traffic source on Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to see traffic source on Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing traffic source is very important. You can judge from here that your ad is performing in right audience or it is showing to irrelevant audience. It is also very easy to check. For this, first of all open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on Analytics. Scroll down a bit. Here in Sessions by Location, you can check your audience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see traffic source on Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.